Okay, here's the question from Thursday night's challenge section, number 125. You're trying to write the equation of a line that passes through the point negative a, b minus 1. So the x value is negative a, the y value is b minus 1, and is perpendicular to ax plus by equals c. Now, you're going to do the same thing. I first need to find the slope of this line. So in order to find the slope, I have to isolate y. So I'm going to subtract ax. The only difference is they're not numbers, they're variables. That's all. So I'm subtracting ax first. By is equal to negative ax plus c, and then divide by b, and I got to do it to every term. So I get y is equal to negative a over b x plus c over b. Well, I'm only concerned here with the slope, the m. The m of this line is negative a over b. And remember, we discussed this after the first day, to where all you're going to do is subtract ax, divide by b. You can do that part in your head. Okay, so the slope of this line is negative a over b. But the line that I'm writing is perpendicular to that line. Okay, so in order to find the slope for my line, I'm going to do the opposite. So it's going to be positive, reciprocal, so it's positive b over a. And I'm using the point negative a, comma, b minus 1. You're going to do the same thing you did on all the other ones. However you did it. You could use the slope-intercept form, and you could solve for b, or you could use the point-slope form and plug everything in and simplify. I'll do it both ways. So if I do point-slope form, I'm going to plug, I don't plug anything for y or x, but I plug the y in for the y1, so that's going to be b minus 1. Make sure you put it in parentheses. B over a, and for the slope, and then the x value, which is negative a, and for x1. Well, because that's minus a negative, I'm going to change that to a plus. So I have y, let's distribute this negative, minus b plus 1 is equal to, now I'm going to distribute that slope, b over a times x. When I multiply b over a times a, or a over 1, those cancel out. I'm just left with b. So now isolate y to put it in slope-intercept form. I'm going to add the b and subtract the 1. They cancel out here, so I'm left with y equals b over a x plus 2b minus 1. Okay, so now to do it, I'm going to do it slope-intercept form and plug the y value in for y. B minus 1 is equal to, my m is b over a, my x is negative a, and I'm solving for the lowercase b. So first I have to multiply these just like you would if you plugged in numbers. 5 equals 3 times 2 plus b. I'd multiply these two first. Okay, so I have b minus 1 is equal to, well, these cancel out, but it's a positive times a negative, so that's going to be negative b plus lowercase b. Solve for the lowercase b. Add b to both sides. And I have 2b minus 1 is equal to the lowercase b. So that's my y-intercept. My slope I already had is b over a. So my equation is y equals b over a times x plus 2b minus 1. And that's my final equation. So you can go ahead and try the other few like that, and let me know if you have any questions.